Hello everyone, I am going to share my code of grading logic. As you can see it, the function compute grade uses a series of conditional checks at the beginning, such as correct file, includes name, etc. Each of these functions asks the user a question and expects a yes or no answer. If any of these conditions fail, that is if the user answers no, the function immediately returns 0, effectively ending the grading process. This is because the conditions are critical for assignment's acceptance. For example, the assignment is not a single uncompressed .py file. The function returns 0 without proceeding to grade other aspects. So here we can see the example. Next we will see handling input conversion for integer values. Functions like evaluate correctness ask the user to input a number, a grade out of 10. While input function in Python returns a string, the function directly converts this string into a float. This direct conversion is safe under the assumption that the user inputs a valid number. If the user inputs something that cannot be converted to a float, like a letter or a word, the script will raise an error. Here you can see an example. So here it's asking us how would you evaluate the elegance of the code. So um, so it raised a error. Last we will see returning the score instead of printing it. Returning the score as an integer or a float in this case from compute grade function rather than just printing it. It is a good programming practice for several reasons. By returning a value, the function can be used in a broader context. For example, the score could be used as a part of larger system that records grades, calculates averages, etc. It's easier to write automated test for a function that returns a value. You can check if the function returns the expected grade under various inputs. So here is the example. Here the student's final grade is 40, as we can see. And next, the function's primary responsibility is to calculate the grade, not to interact the user. So printing is generally considered a separate concern, often handled elsewhere in a larger program. Thank you everyone.